Now let's start rearranging dimensions starting with the front view. Well, because there's nothing on it. I would like this 3.25 diameter to show up on the front view rather than on the right view. So what I can do is I can hold down Shift, left click and drag the dimension over to the front view. And the dimension shows up in the front view now. Now it's not quite how I would like it to show up. I would like it to show up as an actual diameter dimension, a traditional diameter dimension. So what I can do is with the dimension highlighted, under the Leaders tab of the Property Manager of the dimension, I can click on the diameter icon here. And now it is a dimension that I can left click and drag to position it. I'll put it right about here. I would also want this 1.875 on the front view. So I'll hold down Shift, left click and drag this dimension, making sure that no other dimension is highlighted. And I'll put it right over here. And then left click and drag to reposition it. Say I want this number value to show up right in the center of the dimension. What I can do is go to the dimension flyout and then click center dimension. What I'd also like to do is readjust the extension lines to go to the endpoints. How I can do that is I can left click and drag on the endpoints until I get to the desired destination. So I'll do that with both of these extension line and endpoints. If you want to snap to a particular point, you'll get this orange dot as soon as you get to it. Now there's just one more dimension, or actually two more dimensions that I want to add to this front view. It's the 6 right here. So I'll left click, or I'll hold down Shift, left click drag, and then left click and drag the 3.5 over. And then left click and drag them individually to reposition them. And for the 3.5 I also have to readjust the extension lines. And I'll bring it out to about this point here, and then the top one out to this right corner here. This is what the front view should look like.